How expensive were medieval siege engines to build? Have you ever wondered just how much it cost to build those massive machines that could bring down castle walls during the Middle Ages? Medieval siege engines were not just simple contraptions. They were complex machines that required considerable resources and skilled labor to construct. Let's break down what made these engines so costly. First, we need to look at the materials. Siege engines like trebuchets, catapults, and battering rams were primarily made from wood, iron, and rope. The wood used was usually sturdy oak or ash, which was essential for durability. Iron was used for fittings and other metal components, while rope, often made from plant fibers, was crucial for the operation of torsion engines. The size and type of the engine directly influenced how much material was needed. Now let's talk about the costs involved in construction. The price of materials varied based on availability and location. For instance, in regions with abundant forests, wood could be relatively cheap. However, in areas where wood had to be transported over long distances, the cost would rise significantly. Labor costs were another major factor. Skilled craftsmen, such as carpenters and blacksmiths, were essential for building these machines. Their specialized skills came at a price, making labor a substantial part of the overall expense. The scale and complexity of the siege engines also played a role in determining costs. Larger engines, like trebuchets, required more materials and labor than smaller ones, which naturally increased their overall price. More intricate designs needed additional skilled labor, further driving up costs. From an archaeological standpoint, the study of these siege engines offers a glimpse into medieval warfare strategies and technological advancements. Excavations often reveal remnants of these machines, such as catapult balls or torsion springs. These artifacts help historians piece together the scale and sophistication of medieval warfare. Understanding the costs associated with building siege engines also helps archaeologists assess the economic and military capabilities of medieval societies. This knowledge can inform the reconstruction of historical siege engines for educational or experimental purposes, creating a tangible connection to the past. In summary, constructing medieval siege engines was a significant financial undertaking that required ample resources and skilled labor. This reflects the strategic importance of these machines in the context of warfare during the Middle Ages.